Hello teachers, the common error we face at the time of CC result. Now, these children are available to enter the grade marks, but few children we get such errors. That means the child is not allotted for any language group or for section. And observe the note here that indicates the language group is not assigned to the student. So we have to allot the language group and the section to the child. So for that we have to go to an option as usual, which I had given in my previous video, upgrading the language and section. That is language group medium. Select the child section academic year English and search. Type the child's name here. For this child I have already allotted section E. If no section is allotted, we get this message. For this child, since I have already allotted for section E, it is being displayed. Here you will get your sections. Select the section, click on submit. Now assign the language group. In the same interface, this child you can either type here in the search bar or you can get it directly over here. Earlier, this child we are not able to add the CC result because the language group is not being assigned. Here you can just assign the language group, click on submit. Now you can go to CC result, generate result form, select the academic year, search. Now type the child's name. Now we are able to add the grades to the child. So simultaneously you can add the grade for all the 5 exams. Click on submit. This is how we can add the section and the language group to the child. Thank you.